There is a tendency to pour over rankings about professors when choosing courses by using online professor ranking site. As a university or college student, you must be familiar with ratemyprofessor.com. People seeking for information in rankings about professors when choosing courses and also put their own perceptions on the website, then share with other students. My research question is, does ratemyprofessor.com shape university and college students' course choice decision? My hypothesis is Rate My Professor has shaped university and college students' course choice decision. This hypothesis shows in two ways. First, students are more preferring to take the course with high-score professor and trying to avoid the low-score professor. I also predict that some students will change their perceptions of certain professors. I used the three methods to gather data: online survey, interview, and focus group. I sent the link of online servers through my personal social media account. There are only 10 people participating in the online survey, and 5 of them did the follow-up interview with me to share more opinions and experience. Last, I developed a focus group. There were only 2 participants joining the focus group to discuss the further concern on Rate My Professor. As a result, I was able to confirm my hypothesis in certain ways. However, at first, I was failed to confirm that students are more willing to avoid the low-score professors in the general. Participants mentioned that Rate My Professor was not the only factor that influenced their decision-making, but also depended on the course itself. They could still take the course if they were interested with the content of the course. Second, I was able to confirm my hypothesis that some students will change their perceptions of professors during the school period. Some participants argue that sometimes the professor was appeared in a different way, which was unlike the ratings on Rate My Professor. I learned that although there was no limitation of contributors on Rate My Professor and the credibility of ratings were problematic, there are also still many advantages of Rate My Professor. For example, the transparency of the ratings and the ability to share information. So this kind of advantage attract more people to use it. My research matters because it gave clear picture about the relationship between students and Rate My Professor. I suggest that we should also realize the importance of Rate My Professor in school. We should compare our own professor evaluation system with it, then learn from it and improve my own systems.